Hi, it's Nikki, R&D Specialist at Tiber River. Today we're going to be making one of our favorite holiday bath bombs, Not Your Nana's Fruitcake. And because it's not your Nana's recipe, we make this bomb a little different. Making the bombs will be Kylie and Grace. Are you ready to see? Let's go. First we weigh the powders. Each powder goes into the mixer for a quick fluff. In order to form the bath bombs, we need a little bit of liquid. We blend it all together until it's evenly distributed. And now it's time for our little Christmas colors. To keep the color merry and bright, we gently toss the color in. We scoop the powders into the forms and shape. All the excess is scraped off and goes back into the mixture. We carefully tap the bath bombs onto a tray for drying. The bath bombs are not finished until they dry overnight. Each bath bomb is heat sealed and then labeled by hand. This bath bomb is a candied sweet combination of glazed cherries, peaches, and pineapples all in one. And that's how you make Not Your Nana's Fruitcake bath bomb. Thank you for watching and very Merry Holidays.